Do you know what pronoun is? Let's define pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. Let's understand pronouns with the help of these example sentences. Look at Zen. Zen is a good girl. Zen loves to study. Zen is good in English. What can you observe on the sentences? Correct. We repeat the name Zen. Do you know that instead of Zen, we can use she? Now read the sentences again. Look at Zen. She is a good girl. Zen loves to study. She is good in English. The word she takes the place of Zen and it is called pronoun. In English, the part of speech used as a substitute for an antecedent noun that is clearly understood and with which it agrees in person, number, and gender. Pronouns are classified as a personal, demonstrative, relative, indefinite, interrogative, possessive, pronominal adjectives. Today, we will discuss about personal pronouns or subject pronouns. You already know subject pronouns, even if you didn't know that's what they were called. Subject pronouns are used to replace the subject in a sentence. You might also see them called personal pronouns. As they designate the person speaking, we use I, me, we, and us. The person spoken to, we use you. Or the person or thing spoken about, we use he, she, it, they, him, her, them. Do you understand now what pronoun is? For us to find out, let's try these examples. Number 1. I would like some coffee. What is the pronoun used? Very good. It's I. Number 2. Bea, did you forget something? What is the pronoun used? Fantastic. It is you. Number 3. Jet said he would share his candy with me. What is the pronoun used? Very good. It's he because the word he refers to Jet. Number 4. The cat acts like it is hungry. What is the pronoun used? It is very good. It because the word it refers to the cat. Number 5. Are we going to Sampaloc Lake with them? What is the pronoun used? It is we and them. Very good. There are two pronouns in number 5. It seems that you really understand what pronoun is. So now, let's proceed to the other part of our lesson. If you still remember, a while ago, I mentioned the word antecedent. So what is antecedent? Let's have first this sentence. The man could not remember where he parked. Can you spot the pronoun in the sentence? You may remember learning that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of or refers to a noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Pronouns basically help us avoid saying the same nouns over and over. In our example sentence, the word he is a pronoun that takes the place of the noun man. Without the pronoun in the sentence, we'd have to say the man could not remember where the man parked. There's a special grammatical term that we use to name the word man in the sentence. Beyond just calling it the noun, in this sentence, man is an antecedent. An antecedent is the word a pronoun replaces or refers to. Anytime that you have a pronoun, you'll have an antecedent. Even if it's not in the very same sentence, this makes sense. If we didn't have an antecedent for every pronoun, we'd be left with a lot of confusion. For you to understand more what antecedent is, let's have the examples of pronouns and antecedents. First, we have Bianca. Bianca is the antecedent. Since Bianca is a female, we will use the pronoun she or her. Next, we have Zen and Mark. Zen and Mark are the antecedents. Since they are pertaining to two people or more, we can use the pronoun they or them. Next, we have Jet. Jet is the antecedent. And since Jet is a male, we will use the pronoun he or him. Do you know now what antecedent is? Very good. So let's try these following sentences. Number 1. Rika put her bag on the table. What is the antecedent use? Correct. Because the pronoun here is her, and the pronoun her refers to Rika. Number 2. Bea and Jet are baking cake. So what is the antecedent? Very good. It is Bea and Jet because the pronoun here is are and are refers to Bea and Jet. Number 3. Do you know if Mark invited Zen to his birthday party? What is the antecedent? Fantastic! Because the pronoun his refers to Mark. Number 4. Abby, Kim, and I would like for you to come with us. So what's the antecedent? Good job! It's Abby, Kim, and I because the pronoun here is us and us refers to Abby, Kim, and I. Number 5. Jay likes to play his toy car. What is the antecedent use? Job well done. It is J because the pronoun here is his, and his refers to J. Very good. It seems that you really understand our topic for today.